Excuse me, where can I buy train tickets?
You can buy them here at the counter. How can I help you?
I need a ticket to Manchester.
Sure. Is it for today?
Yes, I need to leave today.
Would you like a one-way ticket or a round trip?
A round trip, please.
When would you like to return?
I'll come back tomorrow in the evening.
Okay. Let me check the available trains.
Thank you.
There's a train to Manchester at 2 p.m. today. Will that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
And for your return, there's a train tomorrow at 6:30 p.m.
That works for me.
Great. So, it's a round trip, departing today at 2 p.m. and returning tomorrow at 6:30 p.m.
Yes, that's correct.
The total cost is £45.
Is there any discount available?
Are you a student or a senior citizen?
I'm a student.
Can I see your student ID, please?
Hands over the student ID, here you go.
Thank you. With the student discount, the total is £35.
That's great. I'll pay with my card.
Please insert your card into the machine.
Inserts card, done.
Please enter your PIN.
Enters PIN, done.
The payment is successful. Here's your ticket.
Thank you so much.
Would you like me to print a receipt for you?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Could you tell me the platform number for my train?
Sure. The train to Manchester leaves from platform 3.
And how early should I arrive?
I recommend arriving 15 minutes before departure.
Okay, thanks. Can I reserve a seat?
You already have a reserved seat. It's seat 12A in coach 4.
Perfect. Does the train have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the train offers free Wi-Fi in all coaches.
And is there a food service on board?
Yes, there's a cafe car in coach 5 where you can buy snacks and drinks.
That's good to know. Are there power outlets at the seats?
Yes, each seat has a power outlet.
How long is the journey to Manchester?
It takes about 2 hours.
Will the train be on time?
The trains are usually on schedule, but you can check the current status on the departure board.
Okay, I'll keep an eye on it. What if I miss the train?
You can use the same ticket for the next available train.
And if I want to change my return time, is that possible?
Yes, you can change the return ticket, but there's a small fee of £5.
Alright, that's good to know. Are there different classes on the train?
Yes, we have standard and first class.
What's the difference between them?
First class offers larger seats, more legroom, and complimentary snacks.
How much more is a first-class ticket?
It's an additional £20 for an upgrade to first class.
I'll stick with standard class, thanks. If I cancel my ticket, can I get a refund?
Yes, if you cancel more than 24 hours before the departure, you can get a full refund.
And if I cancel within 24 hours?
There's a 50% cancellation fee for tickets cancelled within 24 hours.
I see. Thanks for the information. Is there any assistance available for people with disabilities?
Yes, we offer assistance for boarding and deboarding. You can request it in advance.
Can I request it now?
Certainly. I'll make a note for the staff to help you at Platform 3.
Thank you for arranging that. Is this ticket valid for a specific train?
Yes, your ticket is valid for the 2 p.m. train only.
And can I change my seat if I want?
You can ask the staff on board, but changes depend on availability.
Alright, I understand. How do I get to Platform 3 from here?
Go straight, then take the stairs on your left. You'll see Platform 3 signs.
Are there elevators for my luggage?
Yes, there are elevators near the stairs.
Great. Thanks for your help. Can I bring my bicycle on the train?
Yes, but you'll need to purchase a bicycle pass for an extra £5.
I'd like to buy one, please.
No problem. Here's your bicycle pass.
Thank you. Is there a special area for bicycles?
Yes, the bicycles are stored in coach 1.
Just to confirm, my train leaves from platform 3 at 2 p.m., right?
That's correct.
And my seat is in coach 4?
Yes, seat 12A in coach 4.
Is there anything else I should know?
Just make sure you have your ticket ready when boarding.
All right, I'll do that.
Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.